Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q3 of the weekly contest 382, Alice and Bob playing Flower Game. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. This one is kind of hard to read. I think this is a reading problem. Like if you look at the submissions, people took like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever, 7 minutes. But to be honest, all of it is probably on reading because I think, like especially if you look at the very good people, it's just all reading and trying to understand the poem. And you could kind of draw it out, but it's kind of a little bit because I was, and I think for me anyway, during the contest, I was trying to figure out like what is tricky about this in a way. And if 7,000 people figure it out, so I think it's not that tricky, but it is just like it's just like it's tricky in the sense that like it gets you thinking, but the actual thing is not that interesting, right? Because basically the idea is that okay, Alice goes. I mean, there's a lot of like weird language here, but basically Alex takes a flower and then Bob takes a flower and then so forth. So it just goes, like alternating order because you just keep going, right? It doesn't matter how many flowers are to the left, to the right, counterclockwise, whatever. It doesn't matter. It just matters how many flowers are left because it doesn't matter which one you choose, right? And if you kind of count it out, that means that if there are odd number of flowers, Alice will win. And if there are even number of flowers, Bob will win. And that's pretty much it. And then now you could kind of do some formula on this because, yeah. But I didn't. I solved it very quickly. Oops. I solved it very quickly because I didn't do one. But you could do it because n is only 10 to the 5th. So, and I don't know why that they did that way. I think it could have been bigger. But yeah. But basically, it's just saying, yeah. If like basically. Let's say I is equal to from 1 to n, j is equal to 1 to m, and then basically we're trying to find or I plus j is odd, right? So that's pretty much it. And obviously you can't do n times m because that's a little bit too lazy, but you just do the count this way. So basically I just did, if this is even, then this has to be odd. And then add it. Otherwise, if this is odd, if I is odd, then the J's have to be even, and that's pretty much it. Of course, there is a very simple optimization, but I didn't think about it during the contest. I'm curious if like people are smarter than I am. Oh no, okay. Well, I mean, he is definitely smarter than I am, but I want to do yeah. So okay, so that's the way that I would have thought about doing it. But yeah, if I had to kind of clean it up, but. I did do it faster because I didn't have to clean it up. So this is contest code, and that's why I did it. But you could really, I mean, this is basically right for so odd m is equal to this thing, right? And even m is equal to m over 2. That's basically all the odd numbers and all the even numbers, and yeah, and it does not include 0. I think that's what I double checked on, but and you could even do like this odd m is equal to, if you want to play around with it, this is equal to m minus even m, right? And then maybe you could even do odd n is equal to n minus even n, and even n is equal to n over 2, and then this would just be when you get even on 1, and then you odd m plus odd n times even m, right? And that's pretty much it, really. Hopefully I got it right. I don't know. I guess we could test some like big numbers. Why does this take so long? Do I have a for loop? Nope. Yeah. So that's basically it if you wanted to optimize it. But during the contest, I knew that I could do it, but I was just like, don't even take a chance, Larry. So that's what I did. But yeah, that's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. It's not a hard problem. You just have to draw it out, but it's just a very silly problem, I think. Interesting problem maybe, but I don't know. Let me know what you think. And yeah, you could watch me solve it live during the contest next. Okay. Silly mistake. I wonder how many people got that one wrong. Read the formula. X files. Okay. No files at all. What does that mean? Oh, that's actually tricky. What is N and M? Is this inclusive? I guess so. I had to draw some stuff. All right. Alice wins the game. Alex wins the game. Alex wins the game if the number is odd, right? Is that right? Okay, so if this is even, then we want the number of odd numbers in M, right? So that's just, if M is say 5, then it is just M plus 1 divided by 2. If N is even, N is odd, then we want an even number. So if 6, then it's going to be 2, 4, 6, right? Am I misunderstanding this problem? Okay, that is a weird problem. Alright. Still. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this problem, this explanation, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.